7 Sigma off-grade.
Hi guys, today we are at Lowe's to purchase some items for our DIY water project, rookie style. Let's see what my husband's gonna get. I'm in Lowe's trying to find my husband, and I told him to put his phone on because it's big in here and I know we was gonna get lost, or I was gonna get lost. He didn't put his phone on and got me walking around here looking for him. Hard-headed. I told you to put your phone on. I've been calling you and you ain't put your phone on. Had me in here looking for you.
Cause I'm busy, damn it. You were calling her.
Yes, I was calling you. Did you have your phone on? No. Why are we purchasing sticks?
To build a doghouse.
We're not building a doghouse.
Build you a nice doghouse.
I don't want a dollhouse. Are we done? What else are we getting?
Whole bunch.
So this is our to-do list.
To get list.
To get list. And we're getting all this at Home Depot?
Clothes.
We just found out they cut pressure treated wood because before they didn't cut pressure treated wood. So now they're gonna cut that as well. And our wood is cut and done. So we're going shopping at Lowe's, but I prefer to buy shoes. He's happy.
All right. Spending money. Never happy.
What are you looking for?
Utility knife and channel locks.
Utility
Knife and channel locks.
Utility knife and channel rocks?
Channel locks.
Channeled locks. I don't belong in here.
That's a good one.
This is a man's heaven. We're in the garden section to get sand and pea gravel. Now all that dirt and all them rocks on the land, we gotta go purchase dirt and rocks to put on the land.
Pea pebbles. Pea pebbles.
Is that what we need? Let's see what we have here. We have
Sand and pea gravel.
sand and we have pea pebbles.
Pea gravels.
It's not pee pebbles.
Pea pebbles.
Screwdriver, we have some tarp, Clorox, and some screws down there. We have the Rhino, or what they would call a dump tank. And
We're stilling water.
so that we can use it for washing hands, shower, and we're actually gonna put this water in our large tank. This is new, okay? Hint, it is new. This is the only time we're gonna actually fill it up to take it up to the property.
Unloaded myself.
You've never unloaded yourself?
People with forklifts unload. I gotta unload myself today.
Well, exercise and new learning experience.
Taping.
Always know I'm taping. So we are gonna unload our dump tank, which has fresh water in, and then we'll use it for other purposes later. And our wood to build our base for our tank. And let me take you to see our tank. We have a, how many gallons? 305 gallon tank. Look at that. That's our 305 gallon temporary tank. And it's not too heavy now because we can move it because there's no water in it, so. And we have some fresh water that we are going to put into our tank.
How much water is in each one?
How much water is in each one?
I'm asking you.
Is it on the is it on here on the container?
Nope.
No.
Take a guess.
100.
7.
7 gallons.
10 or 7 gallons.
That's it.
So are we gonna be spending a lot of water?
So what's the Clorox for? So we're gonna wash the inside of the tank with Clorox.
Not with Clorox. With water.
With water.
A few drops.
A few drops of Clorox. Okay. So he's gonna have me climb in this tank so that I can wipe the inside out to clean it out before we put our fresh water in there. So we're gonna use some aloe vera wipes to clean out the inside of the tank and the top, and that's what I'm gonna do. Right now, we are going to build our base so that we can put that tank on top of it.
Heard you got back into town, visiting friends and making round. Wanna find me, so excited. Girl, you know how deep we go. I don't have to let you know. Guess I'll gas it up and try to find you. Well, to your mama's house. Track me down. Yeah. When you gonna come around? When you gonna come around?
We have a humongous rock. The deeper you dig, the bigger the rocks. This soil is just full of humongous granite, decomposed granite. The rocks just keep getting bigger and bigger.
Seven Sigma off-grid.